So now we're going to have a little look at presentations and what a presentation is. So we're going to create a new presentation. And it opens up. And we're going to give it a name. And we're going to call it Basic Presentation. I thought I changed its name. Did I press cancel instead of OK? Basic Presentation. Okay, there we go now. And it's very simple, so I'm just going to call this Basic Presentation. Click here to how to make a good looking presentation. I'm just going to make that slightly smaller. So all the tools are the exact same. They're all the same. Add another page on now. Just go up here to the left underneath the bar and we go add a little plus. Adds another page on. Gives us the type of page that we want. So I'm just going to go for this one. So I'll say, what makes a good presentation? I'm going to click here to add some comment, so I'm going to add some bullet points. I'm going to say not much text, pictures, solid information. Let's make a little space there. So make a little space there, control to return. So there we go. Let's add another one. One of the things that we can add, of course, is pictures. So I'll say good presenters. And I'm going to insert an image. And I'm going to choose from the file. I'm going to pick the one that we've been using throughout. Okay. Oh, what happened there? Okay. And there it is. And let's just drag that there. And then in here I can write Sam Smith is really good at social networking and so forth. Add another page, and this time I'm going to use this one, Sam Smith SMYT live, and in here I'm going to insert a Google video, so a YouTube video. So we can select a video, and I'm just going to do a search for Mark Zuckerberg. Search videos. And there he is. And I just want something small. Here we go. I'm going to insert that video. Again, we just drag this out like that to make it look a little bit bigger. I'm going to delete them words actually, or delete this whole thing. Delete, so it doesn't show up. Right click and delete on it, and then drag this out. So we have a nice little video, and I'm going to add another page, and this time I'm going to add, let me see, this one, and I'm going to say icons look good. Now icons, what I'm going to look for is some Creative Commons icons, and this usually means that they're free to use for non-profit and educational purposes. So we can see there it's Creative Commons icons. Okay, free icons. there's icons for Creative Commons. They're not quite what I want. What I like when making a presentation is using they're nice icons, aren't they? And they're all under the Creative Commons. They're licensed under the GNU Lesser General Public License Open Icon Library. So that means that they're free to use. And we can download all them icons. I like this kind of a thing here. So there he is there. It's nice and transparent. So I'll save him into the folder that I've been using, which is on my computer, D drive, Google Videos. Now we have to give him recognition, so we'll keep the name so as we remember who it is. And then I can go back and I'm just going to delete that, and I'm going to insert an image, and the image will be this ping file, PNG, and there's my little icon. And again, once I have him in there, you see I can have multiples of him. Oh, excuse me. Control. Okay. I will just copy and paste him then, and I can have multiples of him. And as well as having multiples, you can do there are little basic shapes that we can do. We can insert little arrows and things like that. So I could do that, for example. You see the arrow is on top of his head. It makes it look a bit awkward. So maybe what I could do is move him down, or I could order him to put him to the front so he's on top. You know, so if I move him up now, he's on top. Add another page. I'll add a blank page. And oh, maybe I want some text, so I'll just hit T, and I'll go charts and things. So we can add charts. You can actually make charts, generate charts in a spreadsheet, which I will have another little video on. Might make this a little bit bigger. Let's change its font to something quite large. Change its font to something quite large, and then maybe move it around till I get where I want. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to insert a drawing. So the drawing is the exact same as the drawing tutorial. It's the exact same window. So I'm just going to introduce a love heart, or draw a love heart, and I'm going to upload my it wants an image URL. Well, I have an image URL, so I'll just right click this, and I can say copy image URL. You see that? If I just right click on an image and go copy image URL, and then if I go back to my presenter and I Control V, paste in that URL. There we go. Simple as that. Control D to duplicate two of them, and let's draw them arrows. Get another few shapes in. Make this. Oh, let's make it this one. Make our love heart red again. Okay. I kind of wasting time here, but once I start drawing these things, I kind of half get into them. I just find the drawing very easy. I kind of like it. Okay, and we go save and close. So we can do little drawings showing flow charts. So that's a basic presentation. A cover page. We can change the font of the change the color of the font if we want. Make it bigger or smaller. Have bullet points. Have pictures and text across from pictures. Have videos. We can put in icons and small drawings. Or you can put in charts and full drawings and flow charts. Once it's finished, we can actually publish it, or we can share it with other collaborators, obviously if there's other people working on the presentation with us, or we can publish it, or we can embed it, get an embed code for a web page. So I'm going to publish it. You can publish the document to the internet where anyone will be able to access it and view it online. They will be able to join the presentation online and chat with others while viewing the presentation. Your document will be assigned a unique URL on google.com that you can send to your friends and colleagues. So it's public, that's what it's trying to say, but it's a little bit better than that. So let's go and let's view this document. There it is. So I can pass that off. I can embed this onto a web page. If I've made a web page, it gives me, there's the embed information, so I can embed that into Google or my web page, or into Blogger or my web page, and I can view the document as well, and I can give this link to people and they can view the document, and we can view it together, so as we can have a chat and talk to each other online. And it's very simple matter of just hitting forward, next on the arrows using the right arrow key, next, next, it takes a minute for the video to load, next, next, and the end. So it's very straightforward to create very presentable presentations, excuse the pun, in Google Docs. It's the same tools: copy, paste, bullet points, formatting, adding pictures, making them bigger, smaller, adding video, adding drawings. It's the same thing. There's no difference. Everything is easy to find. We can also save it as well, so we can save it onto a USB key and make it portable if we're going somewhere that doesn't have a wireless connection or a internet connection. Okay, thank you.